Hi everyone! Today I'm going to be showing you my absolute favorite ombre lip on my pretty brown skin. Lately I've been using a lot of browns and neutrals, especially since fall kind of kicked off a few weeks ago. I wanted to show you guys my favorite ombre lip right now, which is using a dark brown shade and like a middle tone kind of beige shade. And I don't know, I've just been really loving the way that it looks for my makeup looks, and it works with any look because, neutral colors basically go with everything. So I just wanted to show that to you guys. But before we get into it, I just wanted to remind you about my blog, www.briemick.com. You can find the link to it in my description box. Basically, I run a beauty and empowerment blog which holds all my blog posts. I just made a post on my favorite Freeman beauty masks. So it's a lot of things like skincare related, hair related, makeup related, so definitely go check that out. Once again, it's Briemick, BRIEMIC.com. Now let's get into it. Okay, so first off, we already know that with ombre lips, you do the darker color around the outside, and on the inside is the lighter color for like the gradient kind of effect. So for the darker color, I'm going to be using this Nicka K Velveteen lipstick. I love all of their Velveteen lipsticks. They feel so good and they dry down. So these are perfect if you like that as well. It's the Velveteen Lipstick Collection by Nicka K. The one that I'm using for the outside today is in the shade, I'm not gonna pronounce this right, Gianduja Chocolate. Gianduja, I think. So here's the shade. I love just about all shades of brown lipstick. This is one of my favorites. It is a lot darker, like I said. Just think of like a brownie or fudge shade. That's kind of what this reminds me of. So this is going on the outside. And then for the inside, we are using this beautiful Hank & Henry lipstick in the shade Lust. When I first saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, this is just gonna be like the most glamorous, glorious lipstick I've ever used in my life. And it is actually a really nice lipstick. However, this shade Lust is not a shade I would use on its own. It's like basically putting concealer on your lips is what it looks like. So let me show you this cool packaging. At the top, there's a little owl's head, which is actually a button. You press that button and the lipstick shoots out the bottom. Ta-da! I'm going to prime my lips with my Blistex. So now I'm going to show you the ombre lip that I've been telling you all about. Starting with the Nicka K Velveteen lipstick in Gianduja Chocolate. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in. So what you do first, like I've done here, you outline your lips with the Gianduja Chocolate shade. Bring it in a little bit. Not all the way though, and I brought it in on the corners here too. Okay, and now I'm going to put the Hank & Henry Lust in the center. Okay, I turned off my my artificial light because I just thought it was way too bright in here. So hopefully that didn't mess up the video too much, and you can still see the colors of this ombre lip. So now, like I said, I'm gonna go ahead and put on the Hank & Henry lipstick in Lust right in the center. And then touch together. And then kind of fill any spots that need a little bit extra. Okay, and then if you go over too much or anything, you can always go back in with the dark one. That looks pretty good. I love this combo together so much. just because it's easy, it's quick, and it's beautiful, and it works for so many looks. Like I've done this with my rainbow looks, I've done this with, you know, neutral looks, or sometimes I just don't even do any eyeshadow or anything at all, and this lip just like pulls everything together. Today I don't really have any eyeshadow on top. I have a brown shade on top, and then I put a green, like a dark green under my eye. This lip, in my opinion, looks perfect for it. Hopefully you guys can try it out too. Let me know how you like it. Did I go over the prices? I don't think I went over the prices, and I always go over the prices. So sorry. So I got this Nicka K Velveteen lipstick at my local beauty supply shop, and it was $1.50. It was either $1 or $1.50. So really good price, and they have tons of shades of these Velveteens. So I have just about every single brown that they sell because I love them all. I think my favorite is dark chocolate, but this one, like I said before, is the Gianduja chocolate. I really don't think I'm saying that right, but you get it. So this is only $1.50, which is not bad at all, especially if you're looking for a good affordable lipstick. Now the Hank & Henry lipstick in the shade Lust is a little bit more on the expensive side. It is $19 for just one lipstick. You get a good amount of product. I wouldn't say that's too bad, especially when you're just using it like me, just in the middle. So I really hope that you guys absolutely loved this video and this ombre lip look. If you did, like and subscribe below, and definitely check out my website where you can find everything that I post that is related to beauty and empowerment. So I most definitely thank you guys for watching, and you have an amazing rest of your day, and see you in the next one.